Hello and welcome to our video on the history of radio. Radio has played a significant role in the development of communication and entertainment throughout the 20th century and beyond. From its humble beginnings as a tool for wireless telegraphy to the modern era of podcasting, radio has revolutionized the way we receive and share information. Join us as we take a journey through time to explore the evolution of radio technology and its impact on society. Marconi testing his radio. The story of radio begins in the late 19th century when Italian inventor Guglielmo Marconi sent the first wireless telegraph across the Atlantic in 1901. This breakthrough sparked a wave of innovation as inventors and engineers raced to develop new forms of wireless communication. Early radio broadcasting. By the 1920s, radio broadcasting had become a cultural phenomenon. Families gathered around their radios to listen to news broadcasts, music performances, and comedy shows. Radio even played a role in shaping political discourse as political leaders recognized the power of airwaves to sway public opinion. World War II. During World War II, radio played a crucial role in military operations. Communication between troops and commanders was often done through radio, and radio broadcasts were used for propaganda and morale-boosting purposes. Transistor radio. In the 1950s, the development of the transistor led to the creation of smaller and more affordable radios. This allowed people to listen to their favourite programs on the go and help popularise rock and roll music. Satellite radio. In the 1990s, the introduction of satellite radio brought a new level of choice and variety to radio listeners. With hundreds of channels available, listeners could choose from a wide range of musical genres, talk shows, and sports broadcasts. Podcasting. Today, radio continues to evolve with the rise of podcasting. Podcasts allow individuals and organizations to produce their own shows and distribute them to a global audience. This has led to a new wave of creative content as people explore new topics and perspectives in the world of audio storytelling. Modern radio. The history of radio is a story of innovation, creativity, and cultural impact. From its humble beginnings as a means of wireless communication, radio has grown into a global medium that connects people and ideas across time and space. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of radio, from Marconi's first wireless telegraph to the modern world of podcasting. Radio has played a vital role in shaping our culture and connecting us with the world around us. We hope this video has provided you with a greater appreciation for this incredible medium and its ongoing impact on society. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and as always, keep on listening.